Upon opening the box, remove the first foam insert and identify the user manual. Additional pieces in the foam insert include 2 valve adapters, 2 hoses with quick disconnect fitting, an aspirator bulb for self-test only, a power cord, as well as a USB device. Upon opening the test kit, identify the male quick disconnect fittings, the quick disconnect fitting for the aspirator bulb for self-test, the pressure relief valve, the supplied air fitting connection, the power switch and power cord, and the USB port. Note, the air fitting connection must be provided by the user. Use plumber's putty on the male fitting before screwing it in to the airline connection port. Kappler does not advise using Teflon tape. Insert the power cord into the AC receptacle and power on the kit. Allow the kit to initialize before inserting USB drive. From the setup checklist, ensure the testing area has a stable temperature and is away from air conditioning or heating vents. Do not connect the supplied air for a self-test. Press the Test Select button to enter the ASTM test mode. Select ASTM, and in the bottom left corner, select ASTM checklist. Using the quick disconnects, attach each valve adapter to the hose. Next, connect the hoses to the appropriate male fittings on the test kit. Connect clean, gray deep breathing air to the supplied air line. Locate and remove the valve cover and valve diaphragm from both exhalation valves on the suit. Insert the valve adapter into the valve body, slightly turning clockwise. Grasping at the base of the zipper, slowly work the zipper up, completely closing. After zipping the garment completely, lay it face down and unfold sock boots. From the main ASTM test screen, select the button that says Press to input data. From this screen, information including tested by, style, color, size, serial number, and manufacturing date for each suit can be entered and saved with the results of the pressure test. Note, the test kit serial number can be found behind the foam insert on the lid of the test kit. You are now ready to press the start button. The kit will inflate the suit automatically to 5 inches of water column before starting the settling timer in the upper left-hand corner. During the settling time, inspect the garment seams, zipper, and interfaces for any potential manufacturing defects or damage. After the 3-minute settling time, the kit will drop pressure to 4 inches of water column and begin the test timer on the right-hand side of the gauge. After 4 minutes, you will receive a pass or fail to the 100th decimal place. Press Copy Data to USB. You are now ready to test your next garment. Once testing is complete, remove the valve adapters, unzip the suit, and insert the valve diaphragm before clicking on the valve cover. Remember, each suit has at least 2 valves.